Hi, I'm Kevin Gabriel Ramos, and I'll talk a bit about my journey into data science. First, I started as an industrial engineer in Universidad Panamericana, and I heard a bit about data science from some teachers and also from a student group that was called Panteras Data Science. At first, I wasn't that interested in coding, but I actually entered this group called Panteras Data Science and learned that I actually loved to code and that I was hoping to learn a lot more. I wanted to get more into this world, and what I did was I decided to double major in both industrial engineering and also in IT engineering, and that helped me to expand my knowledge quite a lot about coding, and also by coding, I also expanded my knowledge about data science. One of the challenges that I faced was in one of the last projects of my career. I had to do a predictive model. At the time, I didn't know much about how predictive models worked or should be trained, but I teamed up with a friend of mine that had more experience in that field, and I learned a lot about him by working with him. And the result was a very robust model about predicting Olympic success regarding the country that was participating in the Olympics, right? But after that, I had a little bit of an imposter syndrome before entering the master's degree because I knew a lot of people that were quite prepared before entering. But nevertheless, I decided to apply, and I got in. I have learned a lot both by reading about the different subjects that encompass data science, as well as by working with people that know more than me, and also because of the classes that I have taken so far. I strive to learn more in order to apply this mainly in predictive maintenance in the plants that I work currently. I have applied in general the intentional change framework because I have used it to go from my real self to my ideal self by having very defined plans about how to get into the place that I want, and I have done this for the master's degree in data science. And regarding the Cinefin framework, I have applied it by having only mainly simple problems and complex projects and complex problems by narrowing down what I want to achieve and by making my decision making process easier to take. And that's it for me. Thank you very much.